Dear friends, today let us discuss about 13 stocks including Canara Bank, Godrej Consumer, Hindustan Zinc, etc. Those have announced split or dividend or bonus with record date between 13th May and 17th May 2024. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Godrej Consumer Products. Share is trading around rupees 1328. Company announced a dividend of rupees 10 per each share. Record date is 14th May 2024. Hindustan Zinc Limited. Share is trading around rupees 529. Company announced a dividend of rupees 10 per each share. Ex-date and record date is 15th May 2024. Nico Parks and Resorts Limited. Share is trading around rupees 137. Company announced a dividend of 50 paise per each share with record date 17th May 2024. Adore Fontech. Share is trading around rupees 146. Announced a dividend of rupees 6 with record date 17th May 2024. Craftsman Automation Limited. Share is trading around rupees 4,301. Announced a dividend of rupees 11.25 per share with record date 17th May 2024. Gravita India Limited. Current market price is rupees 910. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5.5 per share. Record date is 14th May 2024. Omax Autos. Share is trading around rupees 130. Announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share with record date 14th May 2024. Aptus Value Housing Finance. Share is trading around rupees 320. Announced a dividend of rupees 1 per each share. Both ex-date and record date is 14th May 2024. Adore Welding Limited. Current market price 1,299. Announced a dividend of rupees 18.5 per share. Both ex-date and record date 15th May 2024. Hindustan Zinc. Announced a dividend of rupees 10 per each share with record date 15th May 2024, while the share is trading around rupees 529. Coforge Limited. Company announced a dividend of rupees 19 per each share with record date 15th May 2024, while the share is trading around rupees 4,461. Canara Bank. Share is trading around rupees 548. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Record date is 15th May 2024. Stock split 1:5 means if you have 10 shares of Canara Bank, your 10 shares convert to 50 shares. To get the benefit of stock split, you have to purchase the shares of Canara Bank before 15th May 2024. Tata Consultancy Services. Current market price rupees 3,895. Company announced a dividend of rupees 28 per each share with a record date 16th May 2024. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.